MUSASHI Cash Handling System. A manufacturing and trading company, MUSASHI has two distinct personas. In 1965, we launched our tellac brand with product development, design, manufacturing, sales, and technical support. With a long-standing reputation for reliability, our equipment and systems have been implemented by many leading businesses. In financial institutions, our banknote sorting machine is the most compact in the industry and widely used. It's user-friendly and detects and processes banknotes with high speed and accuracy. And for operations to bundle banknotes, our desktop-type large bundling machines support work efficiency. For retail stores, we have developed cash settlement managing systems that support sales management and production operations. Taxi companies and others are using our automatic cash deposit machine for assured and speedy storage, enabling automated cash handling and management without the need for personnel. With the advance of cashless systems, societal attitudes have undergone significant changes in recent years. Now, financial institutions must evolve once again in the management of valuables like credit cards, passbooks, and certificates. Our passbook and certificate management machines unify the handling of passbooks and certificates. They automatically record issuance histories, contributing to labor saving in management operations. Our key and card control machine records who used what and when, ensuring strict control. We also support back-office work for financial institutions. Our specialized staff members can handle the processing associated with foreign exchange operations on your behalf. Our accurate and efficient input process used at many financial institutions reduces staff workloads. Our direct debit request management system handles everything from document verification to scanning and data entry of direct debit request forms at the office center, allowing information retrieval from any bank branch. It can also link identification documents and various notifications, enabling a new generation of management that promotes digital transformation. MUSASHI's equipment and systems are also installed in any location where cash and valuables are handled. We provide a Japan-wide direct sales network and a rapid, comprehensive support system. Management of cash and physical assets is more secure and efficient. MUSASHI and tellac work together with our customers to create a future with a focus on operational efficiency and digital transformation.